This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, Jamal.
Hi, I'm
Yeah,
here.
hi. Good evening.
Good evening, good morning to you.
Yeah. How are you?
I'm pretty good, just exciting, waiting for so long. I'm trying to catch up the things. We have to complete this training.
Okay. Thank you for joining because some delay from my side only. Okay. From today onwards, we'll continue the class every day. Okay.
Every day, at the same time.
Yeah, except my Sunday, 6 days a week, we
Mhm.
will continue. Okay.
Okay, perfect. That's good scale.
Yeah. Okay. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first we will see how to navigate in the system. Yes, for HANA. Did you get the login password details?
Uh, you mean a SAP login?
Yeah.
I have a GUI on my laptop, but I did not get any link that I had to work on it since we left from the first class. So we did not talk about the login because we just gave me the introduction class. So now from today,
Mhm.
I need the access that from today. Then I will work on it to practice.
Okay. So actually, this is a S4 system. During training, they used to give the remote desktop.
Mhm.
It is not GUI.
Okay.
Okay. The
Mhm.
training system for S4 HANA.
Okay.
Okay. In real time, it is GUI and
Mhm.
portal, web portal for Fury.
Mhm.
But as this is a training system, generally they will give a remote desktop. First, we need to
Oh,
log into remote desktop.
uh-huh.
After that, we will log into GUI and portal. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So you wanna send us the link uh, that I will work on.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Murli will send you the details. So,
Mhm.
so from there you can log in. So now I will show
Okay.
you how to log in and everything.
Mhm.
Okay. You mail like this.
Mhm.
There is IP address will be there.
Mhm.
Okay. You can copy that IP address
Mhm.
and you can you can see here remote desktop.
Right.
Okay. An icon.
Mhm.
So you can open that remote desktop and enter here computer, your IP address.
Okay.
Okay. And mm, okay. And the user ID also they will give it to you. SF new 46. Example, my user ID is this one.
Mhm.
Computer and user ID. And you can click on connect.
Okay.
It will ask you the password. Enter the password and click OK. It is still connecting.
Yeah.
Yeah. So once it is connected, it will come as your desktop screen.
Okay.
Okay. This is remote desktop. So
Mhm.
in the remote desktop, you will have a logon pad.
I see.
Okay. This logon pad is same as normal logon pad only. You can see S4 1809. 1809 is a version. You can open this logon pad and the same ID password we can use. Okay, this is S4 HANA logon pad. Okay, you are able to see.
Yes, but I did not
Okay,
see any difference between the HANA and regular SAP. It's the same menu path as the
yeah,
largest.
menu path is same, everything is same except this appearance. Appearance is like, example, if you open any transaction here, you can see save button is at the bottom. Save or continue, next.
Okay.
Okay, this is like your Fury screen, and you will find a different menu also. Okay, and in the above you will see the system ID and everything. In normal screen you will get the system ID at the bottom. Okay, here you will get in the top. Okay, only the appearance is different. Okay, other than this, in GUI there is no difference. Same transaction codes, same menu path, everything is same. Okay, and if you don't like this appearance, you want to go with the old ECC appearance, you can do that one also. How you can do is like in here you can go to the menu. One option will be there to change this appearance to normal. I am checking that. Yeah, this SAP GUI settings. You can go to the options here, click on options, and here visualization. Visual design. Yeah, here you can see visual design. Under this there is a theme preview and settings is there. You can remove this one, accept Fury visual theme. If you remove this one, it will show you as a normal. Just remove this tick mark and apply and OK, and you close this screen and re-log in. Actually, log off from this and once again log in. So now it will appear as your normal GUI screen. Okay, this is normal GUI screen, as you will get the save button above and everything. You can use any one of these. Is it clear? This is setting actually. Okay, here this button options. Again, if you want to, just tick mark this. Okay, is this clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so next thing is, this is how to log into GUI. Now how to log into the Fury. Okay, Fury is nothing but a portal based. Okay, here they have given the icon that is nothing but a Chrome with address, IP address, not IP address, portal address. Okay, you just double click this, it will open the portal. You can see, okay, and you can click here to continue to this website. You can click on continue. This is the Fury screen. It will ask you the login and password. Okay, the login
Now
and
these,
password is
excuse me, now the users and passwords we are using,
hmm,
so they are
hmm,
all the same user and password. Is it correct, or
correct.
you can change it? Okay, all right. Yeah.
For this training, they have given this is the user ID and password.
Mhm.
Okay,
Okay.
for this training purpose, they have given to us.
Mhm.
Okay, maybe he will send you another user or same user only.
Mhm.
You can check with him. If he says the same user, so I can share with you. You can use the same.
Mhm.
Okay. Otherwise, now also I can tell you. You can note down.
Mhm.
Okay. This is the password. So you can mm, note down. I will show you this.
Mhm.
This is the IP address, user ID, and password.
Mhm.
You have noted down.
Uh, I will take the screenshot. Just give me 1 second.
Okay.
Okay, I got it.
Okay. So you can try also. Okay.
Mhm.
So now once you open the Fury screen,
Mhm.
okay, you can type your IP address here. I know not
Mhm.
IP address, sorry, user ID and password.
Mhm.
It is still loading. Okay. So it is loaded now. Okay. So this is a screen for Fury. Okay. Okay.
Mhm.
Now once you loaded here, you can see these are the menu paths. Output control. These are called folders. Okay. These are
Mhm.
just like your folders based on the
Mhm.
uh, transactions or tiles. They will provide different folders. And
Mhm.
in the last, you can see if you click this arrow button, it will show you
Mhm.
all these are the different
All the
folders.
folders.
Yeah, folders. Okay.
Mhm.
For example, you want to directly go to the master data, you can just click this, select it. Okay. You can say under master data, these are the called the tiles. Okay. Each one is a tile. Tile means it is nothing but a Fury app. Each one is a Fury app.
Mhm. Mhm.
Oh, these are more related to finance. Let me
Uh,
open.
That all are finance. Yeah. So how can get the PP value?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
am going down actually.
Planning. So no.
Mm,
Mhm. Uh,
mm. Okay, these are actually the purchasing related. Okay,
This is showing all the modules.
yeah, and finance modules. Okay, I will ask them to add the PP related tiles. Okay,
Mhm.
PP related tiles. Okay, this is just I am showing you now only the navigation. Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
and once you, for example, um, procurement, let me open. Okay, planning is there. What is planning? This is also finance. Okay.
Mostly the purchase order
Yeah, all these
goes.
are mainly the purchase orders. So I will show you how to open and everything. Okay, just for example,
Mhm.
you want to see the purchase orders, like manage
Mhm.
purchase orders. You want to
Mhm.
see, so you can open. You can just click on this tile. This is nothing but each one is a app. Okay,
Mhm. Mhm.
configuration.
I think if you uncheck mark this one here, then it works like this here.
No. That uncheck mark is for prompting only. Okay. Okay, it is
Yeah.
open actually. No filter set. Okay.
Yeah.
This
Mhm.
is
Mhm.
this is the way how the screen looks like. Okay. Okay, now
So we are working on purchase order, right?
yeah, purchase order. Yeah, as an example, I am showing you. Okay,
Mhm.
how it
Mhm.
looks like screen.
Mhm.
Now in the purchase orders, this is manage purchase orders. Means it will list all your purchase orders. Okay.
Mhm.
So here under the standard, you have all these tabs. Okay,
Mhm.
these are nothing but a filter. These are
Mhm.
nothing but a filter. Okay, means
Mhm.
for example, you want to see for a particular plant, you can enter that plant. Okay,
Mhm. Mhm.
and you can enter multiple plants also.
I
Okay,
see.
and or you can enter any of the supplier status
Mhm.
wise or material date wise.
Mhm.
All these are the filters. You can
Mhm.
enter any filter and click
Mhm.
on go.
Mhm.
No items found. Okay, I
Mhm.
think for 1000 there is no items. So let me open any other plant. Okay, it is not showing any data. Let me,
Uh,
yeah, without filter I put it here. So these are the purchase orders. Okay,
mhm.
so you want to see particular purchase order, you can select and you can click on that purchase order. It will open. Please not supported. All these are the purchase orders.
Mhm.
Don't know what is the reason. It is not opening actually. Maybe this. Let's try. Okay. So some error is coming. Okay, now it is open. Okay. So this is the purchase order details. Okay. Items. This is the item and this is the material number and item details, delivery. It looks like this way, Fury transaction. Okay. And if you want to edit something, you can click edit button and you can do the edit in purchase order. Okay. Next, if you want to go back, you can click on this back button. If you want to go to the home, you can click on this home button. It will go to the main. Okay. And for example, you have forgotten where this your tile is there, particular tile or Fury app. You can click on search here. This is a search button. Here you can type like purchase. So it will show you what is a purchase related Fury apps. Okay. Or you can click search once again. So it will show you all purchase related Fury tiles. Okay. So from there you can select which one you want. Means you want to open.
Can you put the routing? We will see maybe something comes up.
Okay. Close. Hi Nicholas. Okay. Hi Nicholas. Okay. Yeah. Here you got the tiles. Are you able to hear us?
Are you talking to me?
Yeah, I can hear.
Yes.
But we are not able to hear you, Nicholas.
Okay, he's there.
Uh, Okay. So I'm just explaining you how Fury looks like. If you have any questions, you can just type on chat. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. And okay, you are asking routing. Let me type routing.
Anytime you search, if this window comes for security,
No,
it just
it should not come. It is some error is there.
I see.
Otherwise, it won't come. Some issue with the system. Otherwise, it won't come actually. Some security. Okay. I'll do one thing. Close. I am opening this IP address in Chrome. Okay. I'm opening IP address in Chrome advanced, proceed. I'm using the same login and password.
Now you used the Chrome, and
Yes.
what was the before?
What was the
I said, what was the before? Now you are working on a Chrome.
before is
And
Internet Explorer.
I said,
Internet Explorer.
okay.
Okay. Generally, this Fury apps is faster in Chrome than normal. Okay.
I-
Okay. Now I'm searching the tile routing. So I think this routing is not there. Search scope is not valid. Okay. So maybe product. Product also not there. Means it is not there. Otherwise it will
So,
come.
yeah, I
Okay.
think this translation is not set up for
Production.
production planning. Yes.
Correct. Correct.
There is other module, FIMM, other thing, but it's not in the PP module.
Yes. Okay.
So just I understand the menu for how to work on a schedule in the portal based and all these things.
Yeah.
Just we can go to start on
Normal
the
class.
minute process, yeah, discrete and
Yeah.
process.
Okay. Okay. We'll go into that now. Okay. Now I'm opening the normal GUI.
Mhm.
Okay. Nicholas, this is a GUI. GUI is same as normal ECC only. Okay. So now we will go to the PP module. Yeah. In PP, in manufacturing, yes.
So before you start this, I have a one question.
Yeah, sure, please.
Last time we discussed about discrete and process and repetitive.
Correct.
Discrete, we use production in the industry, change production. And the second one was process industry, mixing and all kind of repetitive means cement or sugar, that's a repetitive product. Is there any, is the company, they use all these three types of production, or one company use discrete and process, the other company use repetitive, or one company use all these three process?
Okay. Generally, no company will use all the three process. Okay.
Okay. Mm.
This process is like a chemical and pharma
Mhm.
industries. Okay. And discrete is like automotive or automobile. Okay. These two will not combine anytime. Okay.
Okay.
But repetitive can be used. Repetitive can be used along with your discrete or process industries.
I see.
Repetitive is like same product you are
You
continuously
are using.
producing, repeatedly producing it. Okay,
Mhm.
that can be automobile, like
Mhm.
you are producing the same model for long time. You can use repetitive and discrete. Okay,
I see.
same in the chemical industry. One tablet is there or one
Mhm.
chemical is there. They are producing
Mhm.
continuously same chemical, so they can use the repetitive.
Replicate. I see.
Yeah, but no industry will use all these three. Okay,
Okay.
at the same
Mhm.
time, they won't use discrete and process.
Mhm.
Okay.
I see. So, yeah. I now understand the concept also.
Okay. Okay. Repetitive is like sugar or cement
Mhm.
industries.
Yeah.
Okay. And even though if it is a sugar industry, they are producing same sugar every day, it
Mhm.
is not mandatory to use the repetitive. They can go to the discrete also. Even sugar also, they can use discrete manufacturing. So where
Because of
that
different product,
difference,
right?
yeah, okay, where uh, the difference will come is mainly because of costing.
Mhm.
Okay, in discrete
Mhm.
we do the costing for a product based. Product based means like you created a now one production order for
Mhm.
100 quantity. Okay, so you will get the
Mhm.
cost of what is the actual cost and what is the planned cost for this order you will get in discrete.
Mhm.
So that means order wise, product wise, you will get the cost.
Mhm.
Okay, in case
Mhm.
of repetitive manufacturing, it is a period based costing. Period based means this month, for example, month of March, you will get the cost. That means
Mhm.
in month of March, you produced 1,000 tons of sugar. So it will tell
Mhm.
you the in that month what is the cost of the total 1,000. It
Mhm.
won't tell you order wise or product wise. It will tell you in this period what is that product cost. That's all. Okay. So if a industry like sugar, they want order wise costing, so then they will take the discrete. Any industry. Okay. They don't want order wise cost, only period based, they will take the repetitive manufacturing. Okay. So the which industry they want to take is based on the your costing of a product. Okay.
So in the process, say chemical and pharma means
Yeah.
one tablet. They manufacture one tablet, let's say about million tablets,
Hmm.
and the next day they will use the repetitive. If they use the same tablet, means it is called repetitive.
No, they won't change frequently. This same
In the,
product,
if it, yeah, if they change the product, then it will go in process.
yeah, that is okay. If they change the product, that can
Mhm.
be used as a repetitive. But the same product, generally they won't do both discrete and
Mhm.
process.
Process. Yeah.
Okay, or repetitive.
Yeah.
Okay, they will change the product and based on the product setup, they can go to the
Mhm.
repetitive or this one, discrete
Okay.
or process.
Okay.
Okay, and in process also it is a product based costing only or order based costing. Okay, only repetitive is only the period based costing.
Mhm.
Okay, so any other questions?
Oh, that's it.
Okay, so first we will discuss on the discrete manufacturing. Okay, I will explain you the complete process and I will show you on the system also. Okay, yeah. So discrete manufacturing means the product which is changing frequently, those industry will come as a discrete industries. For example, automobile. So in our example, I will take you the product like Honda City is our product. Okay, this is our product, for example. So how this product is manufactured, the process, everything we will discuss. Okay, so first, in discrete manufacturing, generally you will have the two kind of manufacturings. One is make to stock, another one is make to order. Make to stock and make to order means, you can see the name make to stock means you are making to keep as a stock. Make to order means you are making a product based on order. Order means here sales order.
Make to stock means when you complete the order, you keep it in your stock. That's the mean, right?
Not exactly. Okay, make to stock means you will produce the product without any order.
Without any
Without,
order.
yeah, without any order. Order means a sales order. So that means
Yeah.
example
After
like, yeah,
means after manufacturing, when the Honda is completed, they will keep it in the stock. That's the mean, right?
correct. Okay, they will keep as a stock. So whenever the customer comes, if that model is available, he will take away. He will
Okay.
purchase and he will take away. Okay,
Mhm.
it is best example like Apple iPhone is there. So if you went to a stores, a shop,
Mhm.
you will purchase from the existing model and you will take it. That is
Right.
called the make to stock, because
Okay.
you have already available stock is there. So you will just
Mhm.
pay the money and you will take
Mhm.
iPhone. Okay, that is make to stock. You are readily keeping the product
Mhm.
for customer. So now
Right.
another is there make to order. Okay, make to order is like customer will give you an order to you and he will wait for some days to
Mhm.
manufacture it. After completion of
Right.
manufacture, he will take the
Mhm.
product.
Right.
Okay,
Okay.
till that he cannot get the product. That is called the make to order. Okay,
Okay.
for example, it is a bus. Okay,
Mhm.
Volvo bus is there.
Mhm.
Okay, this bus means customer wants some different color or different model, or he want interior decoration differently. So all these are the his custom needs. So he will give today 28th, he will give an order, that is called the sales order, for
Mhm.
10 buses. But you will give the delivery
Yeah.
maybe after 1 month.
Okay.
Okay, because based on this his needs, you are making the product.
Mhm.
Okay, that is called the make to order.
Good. Yeah.
Okay, so is it clear what is make to stock and make to order?
Yes.
Okay, now what are the steps we will follow in this process we will discuss. Okay,
Mhm. Mhm.
so in make to stock scenario means you are directly keeping the stock. Okay, you are
Mhm.
making this product based on your assumptions. Assumptions
Mhm.
means this month, in the month of April, you want to produce Honda City cars as 1,000.
Mhm.
Okay, in the month of April, you want to produce 1,000 City Honda cars, and in the month of
Mhm.
May, maybe it is 1,100. In month of
Mhm.
June, you want to produce 900. Okay,
Mhm.
so these based on these assumptions,
Mhm.
you will start producing it.
Mhm.
Okay, how you will get these assumptions is based on your past history.
Right.
Past history means in the month of March you sold around 1,000, so you want to produce again 1,000. In the month
Mhm.
of May, you have some local festival.
Mhm.
Okay, so people will buy more cars, so you want to produce more. In June month, people will not buy the product more, so you can produce 900. Like this, you will, based on your assumptions, you will put some target quantities. Okay, this is called the forecast. In SAP terminology, it is
Forecast.
called the
Forecast.
forecast. Okay, forecast is
Mhm.
nothing but a in future how much you want to produce, you want to manufacture.
Mhm.
Okay, that is called the forecast. This forecast is the first step in make to stock. Okay, in make to stock, the first step is
Mhm.
forecast. Now, once you decided all these are the months you want to produce the product Honda City. So now to manufacture this Honda City, you need a planning.
Mhm.
You need a planning. Like to manufacture your Honda car, you need
Mhm.
to assemble that product. You need
Right.
body, you need tires, you need glasses, you need engine. Okay,
Mhm.
all these you need, and
Mhm.
you need a small parts like bolts and nuts.
Mhm.
Everything you need. So in a car, at least not less than 500 parts will be there, like engine,
Mhm.
bolts, nuts, frame, all
Mhm.
these. Minimum 500 parts is there. So as a person, it is not possible to plan each part.
Mhm.
Okay, you need some tool to plan all these parts.
Right.
That tool in SAP is nothing but your MRP run.
MRP.
MRP, yeah.
MRP.
MRP means material requirement
Mhm.
planning.
Mhm.
Okay. MRP run means this MRP run will tell you how many,
Mhm.
what are the products required, means what are the parts required to manufacture Honda City and when it
Mhm.
is required.
Mhm.
Okay, what are the parts you required and when it is required.
Mhm.
When means from date, material availability date, it will tell you. Okay, in MRP run.
Mhm.
The output from this MRP run is you will get a planned order. Planned order is nothing but a, for each product, it will tell you the what is the start date, what is the end date, and how much quantity it is required for that
Mhm.
product. It, those
Mhm.
details you will have in this planned order. Okay,
Mhm.
in this you will have the details of, I think you are from the PM module, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so this planned order will have the quantity, material, and dates. Okay, how you will get this planned order is after MRP run. Okay, then you will convert this planned order to production order. What is this production order means? This order will have the more details, and you are saying it is confirmed. Planned order is like you want this much material on this date, but in production order you will have the more details about that order, like exact start date, exact end date, time, product, all the details, and cost of that product, planned cost, actual cost, all those details you will find in this production order. This you will convert from planned order to production order. Okay, you will have these details here. And once you get this production order, next you will just release this production order. Release means you are handing over this production order to a shop floor person to assemble this car. Release is nothing but it is now production order is ready. You can start from today. You can start producing the product from today. Okay.
So release the production order to the shop people, you say?
Yes, for shop or people. Okay.
Okay.
So they can take the printout of that order and they can start assembling the product. Okay, that is the meaning of release. Okay. Release means you don't want to do any further changes in this order. Just it is ready to manufacture the product. Okay. Now shop floor people they start the producing product. They started them product. Okay. This order, for example, 1000 is your Honda City. Okay. Now today they produced 5 cars, example, or 10 cars. They produced assembled the 10. So that how much they have produced today, we will update in SAP system. That is called the production confirmation.
Yeah, the phone is bumbling. I think its connection is not good. So, okay. It's the eco voice.
You are getting some echo. Is it fine
Yeah.
now? Because maybe a connection only, because there is no distance from other.
No, it's not good.
We
Whatever
can,
you talk is breaking and breaking and breaking. So now
okay.
it was working perfect before. Now it's working.
Yeah. Okay. Is it okay now? Or still same issue? Is it
Little
okay
bit.
now?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I continue?
Yes, please.
Okay. Once the shop floor people completed their production, like they have produced Honda cars of 10 cars, we will do that update in SAP. It is called production confirmation. Okay, that is
You
the
talk about after the shop people complete the assembly work,
yeah,
then it called a confirmation. Is that right?
correct. In SAP, we will call that as a confirmation. That is nothing but a
Okay.
production confirmation. So in SAP, I will do the confirmation as these Honda cars I produced 10 today. Okay, and then after confirmation, we will do the goods movements.
Mhm.
What is the goods movements means? To produce this 10 cars, what are the components you used?
Mhm.
Means how many engines used, how many tires you are used, how many glasses. Okay, all these used to manufacture this 10 Honda cars. All those we will do in a goods movement. Okay, these
Goods
goods
movement
movements are
means
like
to deliver the product. Hello.
we are not delivering the product. We are just goods movements means we are doing the goods issue and receipt. Goods issue means like to manufacture this car, you are used the engine. You are used 10 engines.
Mhm.
Okay, that you will consume in SAP. You need to consume that in SAP. That is called the goods issue. Okay, goods receipt means your for Honda, your
The
production
phone
is
is
completed.
yeah, Mr. Wasi, the phone is not doing good. The phone is breaking.
Oh, okay. You are using a desktop or a phone?
No, I have
Both.
iPhone and
Okay.
I'm using iPhone. It was working good, but now it's breaking. That's why I'm asking the same question again.
Yeah, okay. Maybe network some problem. Okay, but from my side, there is no issues actually. Means I'm sitting in a room without any disturbance. Okay, okay,
So which movement can you
yeah,
uh,
okay. So the goods movement is the last step in this production cycle. Goods movement is nothing but a what are the components you consumed for whole manufacturing? Those you need to update in SAP system. Okay, that we will do in. Okay, okay. Thank you, Nicholas. Yeah. Okay. So we need to update in SAP. That is called the goods issue and goods receipt. Goods receipt is for product. Thank you. Okay. Okay. This stock in, you can see the stock in your transaction code MMB receipt. You can see the stock of your Honda City S10. Okay, stock you can see in MMB. So Jamal, are you able to hear me now? Hello,
hello?
are you able to hear me now? Yeah, are you able to hear me now?
Yeah, yeah. It was no noise. It was disconnected or something. It was
Okay.
it was the voice was completely
Mm.
bubbling and
Oh,
something.
okay. Okay, maybe some network, bad network. But this is the last step in make to stock here.
Mhm.
Okay, goods movement.
Yeah.
Once you do the goods receipt, your stock will update and this stock is ready to sell. The stock is ready to sell to a customer.
Yeah, but when the goods movement, when you talk about it, the goods movement and goods issue process there,
Mm,
that was, you can, if you repeat quickly one more time, because it was bad connection.
okay. So goods issue is nothing but the components which are used in Honda Car City manufacturing. All those
Mhm.
components we will do goods issue. We are consuming that. Okay, we have consumed all these. We have used that components, which are the components to
Mhm.
manufacture Honda car. All those
Mhm.
we will update in SAP as goods issue.
Okay.
Okay, goods receipt means whatever you produced, the product, main product, that is called the goods
Mhm.
receipt. We produced
Okay.
main product like Honda City, so that
Mhm.
we will do that as a goods receipt. Okay,
Okay.
once you did this goods receipt, you will get that stock in your system, like in MMBE transaction code. You can see the
Mhm.
stock of Honda as 10
Mhm.
cars are available. From
Mhm.
this stock, you can sell to the customer.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the end-to-end process in make to stock.
Okay.
Is this clear process?
Make the stock.
Okay,
Mhm.
is this clear?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so I will stop the class now. Okay, we will connect tomorrow at the same time.
Uh-huh.
Okay, and we will continue the class.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Thank you.
okay,
Okay.
thank you. Good
Mhm.
night. Bye.